Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I am going to teach you workbook of English grade 3. First of all, you have to go at planner week 1. So you have to write down date and day on all blocks of week 1. Grammar recall, noun, verb, adjective, pronoun and preposition concept clearance. Grammar workbook page number 26. Parts of speech activity from teacher manual. Let's skip. So you have to skip this one. Grammar workbook page number 27 and 28. Grammar workbook page number 29. Grammar workbook page number 30. So you don't forget to mention date and day on these pages. At page number 26, so you have to write the date and day on the top of the page. Then recall noun. What is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, thing or animal. Make noun chain. Write a word that begins with the last letter of the word before it. Word is wind, so you have to focus on the last letter and make the word with the last letter. Wind, dog, G, goat, tree, train, and nail, L, lamp. Trees, S, sun, nest, toy, Y, yogurt, T, top. Door, ring, G, glass, S, shell, L, lion, N, nose. Leaf, F, fish, H, horse, E, eye. Elephant, T, T for Tom. Hen, N, nail, L, list, T, tip, P, parrot, T, and last word is tissue. So you have to move on page number 27. Mention date and day first. Verb. What is verb? Give 3 examples. Verb is a word that is used to perform an action. Action words are called verb. Read, write, play. Write down the action verbs to tell what these people and animal do. Hands. So you have to choose the word from the given box. Play, lay, swim, catch and eat. Hens dash eggs. Hen lay eggs. Cats dash mice. Catch. Fish dash in the water. Swim. We dash food. Eat. Children dash games. Play. One word is missing from each sentence. Rewrite it with a word from the help box. So you have to choose the word from here. Ahmed and Rashid, a book in the library. Here is the word missing, so you have to choose from here. Read. Ahmed and Rashid read a book in the library. My pet rabbit and carrot. My pet rabbit and carrot. Word is missing here. Likes. My pet rabbit likes carrot. The cat on the mat. The cat sits on the mat. Last one is the ostrich, the biggest egg. The ostrich lays the biggest egg. So move on page number 28. So you have to mention date and day first. I go to school every morning. I go to school every morning. You should the road carefully. You should cross the road carefully. Do remember one thing. A sentence is not complete without a verb. So verb is essential part of the word. Adjective. What is adjective? Give the 3 examples. A word which tells us about naming words or nouns is called adjective. For example, red, color name, old and sad. Circle the adjectives in the riddles. Then fill in the blanks to get the name of the animal. Number 1 is yesterday I saw a dash animal. It was very strong. It had golden thick hair on its head. So you have to circle the adjective from these lines. So First is adjective, and it is an adjective. Strong, it is also quality. It tells us about the noun. Golden and thick. So these things tell us about the animal, that is lion. I saw a bird on tree. It had beautiful tail. So it means beautiful is an adjective. It had colorful crown on its head. Colorful is also adjective. So it tells us about a word that's name is hoopoe. Number 3 is, in the zoo I saw an animal with long tail. Long is adjective. It was jumping from one tree to another. It was very naughty. So naughty suggests that animal is monkey. So do remember one thing, numbers and the names of colors are also adjective too. Move on, page number 29. Mention date and date there. Separate describing words. Describing words are so you have to separate the adjectives and nouns. Adjective, noun. Good boy. Good is a quality, it means it is adjective, and boy is noun. Pretty, doll. Pretty is adjective and doll is noun. Smart girl. Smart, adjective, girl is noun. Hot day. Hot is adjective, day is noun. Short hair. Short is adjective and hair is noun. Move on, next question. Write adjectives to describe these nouns. Biscuit, dog, poem, rose, buildings and teacher. Sweet biscuit. You can use according to your choice. Thin dog, long poem, beautiful rose, high buildings, happy teacher. Pronoun. What is pronoun? Give 3 examples. So you have to give the definition of the pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. For example, I, we, you. So you have to move on page number 30. Move on page number 30 and mention date and date there. Underline all the pronouns in the paragraph below. So you have to underline all paragraph. For example, I, we, you, they. So you have to underline these. Nazia and Farah are my friends. They read in the class. So they is pronoun. They are very hardworking and punctual. So underline they here. We go to school together. We. Our best teacher is English teacher. Our. You don't guess how lucky I am to have such a loving friends. You and I are pronouns here. Preposition. What is preposition? Give 3 examples. It is a word that shows relation between nouns. So it shows relation between nouns. 2 or more than 2 nouns. In, on, under. Choose the preposition from the box and fill the blanks. Under. So boy is under the box. In front of. Boy is standing in front of box. Beside. The boy is sitting beside the box. On. So in. The boy is sitting in the box. On. The boy is sitting on the box. Over. The boy is over the box. Behind. He is sitting behind the box. And last one is the boy is standing between the boxes. Move on page number 31. So it is home task. So do it yourself. Stay home, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.